Hey, long time no see, guys. Finally got a thingamabobber jigger to hang my phone in my car, and but maybe I should start doing a little what's on Miner's mind on the ride home. So, where are we at in this crypto market? Who knows? All I know is we'll probably go down, and we'll probably go up, and probably down and up. That's a guarantee. Do I think we're at the bottom? Somewhere around the bottom. I don't know how much farther we can go. Got some guys calling for 1,800. Some guys calling for 2,800. Some say we won't go any lower than 3,150 that we dropped to back in February. I would say it's accumulation time. Yeah, you want to be able to capitalize and catch the low, but whatever. What I can tell you, if you look at the history and the charts, we're not going to see these prices again once we turn into a bull market again. It's obvious. Look at the chart yourself. Now, let's talk about what's on Miner's mind. I was talking with a colleague today. He asked me, hey, how's that Bitcoin going? I wanted to respond that, hey, I don't own any Bitcoin. I said, it's about at the bottom, maybe another dip or so, and then it'll start turning around and heading back up. He said, I read, they don't want to use it. Nobody wants to use that blockchain. I'm sure he probably read the Wall Street Journal article. Bitcoin's in its slumps. Nobody wants to use the blockchain. Blah, 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 blah. If you want to catch a good parody of that article, go to Crypto Viewing and watch Dick Allgaier. You'll laugh your butt off. Because here's the thing. These mass media, these authors, all these people, they want to claim Bitcoin's dead. They want to claim the blockchain is inefficient, that it doesn't do what it needs to do. I'll totally agree with certain aspects of the blockchain. It's not efficient. Sometimes it's actually really slow. But what I do know is I've been researching this stuff for coming up on 2 years. And if you want to tell me that there isn't people investing money, there isn't companies investing time and resources into integrating the blockchain to make things more efficient and trustless in a way that all we have to do is verify things, if you can prove to me that that isn't happening, then I will sell every last freaking 1 and 0, the little pieces of software that make up the cryptocurrencies that I have in my name. I'll give them away. I'll give them away. Okay? IBM and Stellar are hooked up. They've been hooked up for, I think, well over a year now. And they got some stuff going. I mean, they just signed a deal with 6 world banks to use Stellar's blockchain to transfer funds around. Well, you're going to tell me that blockchain's dying. It's not useful. We know of lots of other projects out there that are going to keep things decentralized and in a trustless manner that are going to benefit everyone involved. The other thing that concerns me about people that don't understand this stuff is I don't think they've ever researched the game theory behind Bitcoin and what it actually does. I don't think they've looked at what the blockchain is really good at doing. They just want to focus on the negatives, where they saw, hey, it ran all the way up to 20,000 and now it's down to 3,000 or 4,000. It's worthless, it's stupid. Because they don't want to take the time to research it. And I get that. I would love to educate more people, but I want to educate people that are open-minded. I want to educate people that have that, hey, I don't understand this. Can you teach me about it? And then make your own decision. Please make your own decision. But go do some more of your own research. I didn't start investing in cryptocurrency because I was going to get rich quick. I looked at it and said, holy crap, a light went off This stuff is unbelievable. And you know where it clicked? Is when I actually read the white paper for Bitcoin. I didn't touch anything. I didn't want to do anything until somebody said, read the white paper. I read the white paper. Then I started watching intro to Bitcoin videos from people that understand this stuff, like Andreas Antonopoulos. Talk to him. I don't know if you'd be able to talk to him, but watch his videos and learn something. Watch his intro to Bitcoin video so you understand what this stuff is capable of doing. Now, where are we going to see adoption at? I mean, blockchain adoption's happening now. People are already doing it on the enterprise level and adopting it internally. But that's not open, public, distributed. Why are they doing that? I don't know. The whole point behind a blockchain, a public blockchain, is to keep things distributed and out there and open for people to see what's going on. Do we have private blockchains? Yeah, we do. We have things like Monero that use confidential transactions to keep your privacy there, to keep your cryptocurrency fungible, that just because somebody spent Bitcoin on drugs and now it's in your possession, well, somebody could block you from using that. Really? Who cares? Who cares where the money went to and came from? I have it now, I want to spend it to buy something. Whatever. So, I hope those of you that are watching this, maybe as your first video watching anything that deals with cryptocurrency or blockchain, do some research, please. Okay? What else? I think that's it. And hopefully I'll start finding some time to cover some projects that I think you guys should definitely look at. I'll give you some real quick updates on some of the ones that I really like. Populous is, I believe, out of their beta. If you know anything about Populous, if you don't, check it out. It's a pretty good project. Veritasium just keeps plugging away with things. Don't know if you guys know anything about it. Look it up. You may find some good things and bad things about it. I'll just let you know that right now. But I like it. Celsius. I covered it a while back. They are pushing along. I will tell you that in one of the recent interviews with Alex Mashinsky, I think it was him and Crypto Crow, Jason Appleton, he announced that they will be on 2 major exchanges before the middle of the year. Well, we're just about out of Q1 here, January, February, almost at the end of March. So we got about 3 more months, roughly, till Celsius gets on a major exchange, which increases its liquidity. I will tell you right now, the easiest place to get it is on IDEX. But at 4 or 5 cents, I will tell you that this token has a use. It has benefits to holding it. It has benefits to using it for things. And when it hits the exchanges and more people find out about what Celsius is, and there's a lot of people that know about it already, but when it gets to the masses that it's easier for them to get it, I'll tell you right now, you could just simply trade it if you wanted to and make money on it. But I would seriously look into the Celsius platform. Theta, their mainnet went live last week. So that's a plus. If you were holding Theta tokens, hopefully you converted them. Look at their partnerships. Man. I mean, just look at Samsung and Sony, and they got more partnerships. They just partnered up with one of the large cable companies, I believe, in Korea. That is going to be a game changer. If they pick up the right steam at the right time, Theta will be massive. Not to mention, when you start using their platform and you're sharing stuff, you're going to earn Theta tokens. The other thing I came across, and I know they're still working out some of the tokenomics of the Theta fuel, which is basically what you'll use to transact with on the Theta mainnet. The Theta tokens will be more of a store of value. The Theta fuel tokens, the T fuel, will be used to transact and vote and do all kinds of crazy stuff with. But I think they're going to try to keep the Theta fuel tokens as a stable value. Hey, could be worth $1 one day. Maybe that's what they'll try to keep it as, and it'll be another stable coin, right? So who knows what'll come out of that. I know Gate.io has been trading Theta fuel. It's been right around 1.5 cents. Something to find out what other exchanges will start trading it. I know a lot of them allowed for the conversion, and I know they would have gave the people the Theta fuel, so I would assume they would let people trade the Theta fuel. But if you can earn it, maybe the people got airdrop, maybe they trade it. I don't know. What else has been going on? Cardano started going up a little bit. I tell you about Cardano's. This is a long-term project that's taking their time to do things right. They just pushed out an update yesterday, maybe? I think it was yesterday. Yesterday or the day before, they already found a bug in it, and they're fixing it. Or it's been fixed. I haven't checked their Twitter in the past couple hours. So hang in there. We'll eventually get out of this bear market. We'll get confirmation that we're out of it. And do your own research. Find those projects that have stuff going on that's important, that's going to make a difference. There's a lot of tokens and blockchains out there that are probably worthless, and there's some that are hidden. You want to look at one that I think is nothing more than an awesome blockchain is Digibyte. Check it out. They're going to have the ability to create digi assets, basically smart contracts, if you want to look at it that way. On Digibyte, they have their Digi ID, they have DigiDocs, DocuSign, DigiSign, that's what it is, where you can sign your documents on the blockchain. Like, there's use cases there. Another cryptocurrency that's very cheap, that you can pick up thousands of them if you wanted to, and just store them away. Forget about them. I mean, Cardano's another one. It's just pennies, and its high was $1.33. If it goes back up to its all-time high, you can multiply your money by 25, right? That's a pretty good deal. If you're in it for trading, then you just hodl it. So I'm sure it's going to go higher. Anyway, I hope all of you are doing well. I'm Aaron with All the Way Up Crypto. If you haven't hit subscribe, do so. Check out some of my other videos from the past. Some of them are pretty useful, maybe educational to you. Others are just I'm speaking my opinion. So hopefully I get the ride home here, videos going here, and I can start covering some other projects that you guys may find interesting. So hit subscribe. Hit the like button so someone else can find this video. Share it. Like it. Comment on it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.